As I'm actually making a pretty casual channel where I will actually post stuff related to my YouTube growth and the results from there. So this was one of my old accounts and this had the name Wi-Fi Wallet. I want to change the logo and I want to also name the channel YouTube Bread. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that making a logo doesn't have to be very complicated, and you should also have these sorts of casual channel by use on things that you actually care about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to ideogram and it gives you some tokens like 150 tokens for the day. What I actually want to write over here is let's click the aspect ratio to 1:1. Now a YouTube channel named YouTube Bread. Now I'm gonna click on generate. In the meanwhile, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to Leonardo AI. It's a very wonderful tool. It also gives you some free tokens to use each day, and by the way, I have premium for both of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the flow state in this one, and in the flow state I'm gonna write a YouTube channel logo YouTube Bread. Let's go see what ideogram made for us. Ideogram is usually fast, but I think I have to update the payment, so it's putting me in the slow queue. But Leonardo, in the meanwhile, it gave us these images. Okay, YouTube Bread. Seems like we have found nothing so far. This seems interesting. We could use this one, but let's see if we can find something else as well. This flow state in Leonardo.ai, it's like pretty wonderful. It's also giving a concept of YouTube and bread, but let's click on more like this. It will give us even better generations. YouTube Bread. Okay, I like this one. I'll download this one as well. Let's go down and see what else we have over here. YouTube Bread. Well, the YouTube isn't right, but well, this one could have been fun. Let me just save it for future. But let's come back to the previous layer. Let's go back to this one and see if we can find anything else. Oh, how about this one? Guys, this YouTube Bread. This looks pretty fun. This one is also good. I would like to save this as well. But right now I would like to explore more with this. Well, ideogram, let's see, did it give us anything? It's on the slow queue. I have to pay to upgrade. But well, the premium that I use, it's like really good. It's just that unlucky that I had to update the payment method today, and here we are. But anyways, we'll go with this one, the YouTube Bread. Nice. Okay, all of this looks fine. Okay, you can have infinite images with this flow state in Leonardo AI. Let's go back to the previous layer and let's try out this one. I think this is the logo that I would go for right now. It isn't giving anything relevant over here, but I think we pretty much have the logo for the channel. Let me just change this one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one. Okay, YouTube Bread. And by the way, guys, the concept is that we have to earn from YouTube, so that's why I'm calling this YouTube Bread. Previously it was Wi-Fi wallet, but well, I think we have our channel's logo. What do you think about this? You see, guys, I have the name figured out, the handle, and the description, which is my mission statement that we can make great YouTube channels by being honest with each other and sharing things and not gatekeeping. So I would love to communicate with all of you down in the comments.